Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change auto-download media on Wi-Fi only on Truecaller. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Truecaller app in your device, then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on general. Next scroll until you find auto-download media. After that, tap on it. Next you can see the option of only on Wi-Fi. Tap on it. So this is how you can change auto download media to only on Wi-Fi on Truecaller. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.